What's going on YouTube? Today we got a 2003 Nissan Maxima and we are removing the top manifold. So to do this, you're going to need to remove a lot of things. So this will be right here. This is a 12 millimeter, or you can use one half will work. This is a 12 millimeter. And you put this to the side. You have this purge valve right here. That'll be hooked into here. Okay. You need to break this nut loose. Put it to the side. And then you're going to remove the bolts right here. These are all 12 millimeters. Once you do that, you can start disconnecting. Okay, the hose is in the back here. Okay, you're gonna need to go on the other side. So back here, you have two bolts to remove. Remember, still a 12 millimeter. And then you wanna, this clamp right here, you might wanna break it loose. I also disconnected the throttle body sensor. And then, so just basically just go around and look for any hoses you need to remove. Once you've loosened up everything, put everything to the side, you're going to be able to lift up the manifold, pull it out, gently pull it out. Be careful, make sure you don't drop anything inside the engine. I mean inside the lower manifold. Okay, so remember, if you have a bad manifold gasket, could also change it. Okay, so as you can see, these are the vacuums that were disconnected. Go back here, make sure you just free the manifold, everything connected to it. I think there's another vacuum right here that is held by a clamp. Then everything will be free. Okay, remember 12 millimeters. You can also use a 1/2 socket. All right, now everything is all right. So now once you have the manifold removed, you have access to the spark plugs. You got 3 right here, and then the other 3 right here. All right, so to remove spark plugs, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter to break this loose. Okay, take it, put it to the side. All right, so you disconnect the spark plugs so you can pull it out freely. If you have new coil, also change them, because as y'all can see, this one right here broke. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and get some new coils. All right, so now you're gonna need a 5/8, which is a spark plug socket, equivalent to a 60 millimeter. And insert it, and then you're gonna crack it loose, lefty loosey. All right, so if you don't have a magnet, a little trick you can do, you can remove the spark plug with the coil. Once you get it loose all the way, you push the coil in it inside of it, and then it will be stuck on there, and you can pull it out. So as y'all can see, these spark plugs are cooked. My coils are cooked, beyond cooked. All right, so we got all the spark plugs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these were cooked.